All the band. Good money.
No, they were not.
Thank God.
Yes. Body shop.
Nah. Just come straight. I want to ask you something.
Areas.
There's one offer somebody render to me.
Not render I go for. When I render.
Tender offer to assist. The pen said that. The pen said that you should give me 3 million. 3 million to start business, or you should pay me 200,000. Why I'll be staying under him for monthly salary? Which one am I going to pick? For both of them.
You know, I'm going to know 200,000. And they can't 200,000. I'm under you. Under again, all keen on under. The back on make a question. You brought it. But it's man gave you make it a come wine and baby, can you be my friend? Let me think about it. Baby, can you marry me? Let me think about it. What are you thinking for carrying out loud? I'll be loud.
Jesus!
Oh yeah, I think. It's quite understandable that probably I think because you know that 200,000 in a month when you guys Mama ki is Syria. I understand, but I want to pay 3M. One day over one, I'm paying 3M. Go to 2.5 good. Then when is it going to go? James investment as a big gamble. Tomorrow, if you go to myself and go down with the Bromar. Sorry, yes, no, I don't with the Bromar. Yes, of course. Money, no one else. Very money. Money going to go to Gambido. Money is 1,000 naira. But now if from there. So I'm going to put 2 million. What is it? 500,000 million. If you go and sit there and I'm telling you. Because I'm just go now. I'm because I'm meaning boss. Meaning boss mean busy over somebody's success. I try to follow it. I try to give knowledge now. Knowledge is too much. Busy over somebody's success. Why should you be busy over somebody's success? Why not see busy over your own success? One day, one of them to tell you, but I go, Bam, only guys are gospel. And each of you know, you will know. If you want to hear, hear it. If you don't want to hear, don't hear it. If you know how to sow, sow nana. But if you don't know how to sow, sow neekwe. Sorry. If you know how to sow, sow neekwe. But if you don't know how to sow, sow nana. I understand. Thank you. God, but I shop one more. When you guys are just take my advice.
Okay.